Hi.
Just for this car.
Okay. Is it locked?
Yes, it's locked. I lost them at work and I'm not sure where they're at, but...
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll make you a new key.
Okay, sounds good. I'm gonna go inside to see if I can find my keys.
Okay.
But I'll come right out like in 15 minutes.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you. Sir, I actually have my keys. Do you need mine by any chance? I still want the spare, but do you need it?
Yeah, it's gonna save you some money too.
Okay, perfect.
All right. Back to you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Let me show you. Trunk. Emergency key works.
Perfect.
Unlock.
Yay, perfect.
Here's my card.
Thank you.
Welcome. Yeah, I'm so happy about those. I just got them, so.
Oh, the little keychains?
The keychains.
They're super cute.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you for all your help.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.